Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best mini backdrop is probably one of the most versatile tools for content creators, offering a professional touch to your photos and videos. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just starting your online journey, a good backdrop can significantly elevate your product shots, social media content, and even your online tutorials. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of mini backdrops, exploring their features, benefits, and helping you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. PULUZ Mini Photo Studio Lightbox. This is the PULUZ Mini Photo Studio Lightbox. It's a portable and foldable solution for all your small product photography needs. With this, you can take professional-looking photos easily. The Lightbox features two LED panels that provide bright, even lighting. This helps eliminate shadows and reflections, ensuring your photos look their best. It provides enough brightness for shooting. Even if you're not a professional photographer, you can still achieve high-quality results. This lightbox helps you capture stunning images without any annoying strobe effects. Setting up your own photo studio is quick and easy. It's designed to be portable, so you can set it up anywhere. You can get excellent images with it. It comes with 6 different color backdrops: black, white, yellow, red, blue, and green. It is perfect for various products. You can also power it using a USB connection. It's ideal for photographing items like jewelry, watches, cosmetics, and more. If you get this photo studio set, you become the professional photographer. What we like. This lightbox provides bright and even lighting, ensuring your photos are well lit and free of shadows. It's incredibly easy to set up, making it perfect for beginners. With multiple color backdrops, it offers versatility for various product shots. If you're looking for a complete, easy-to-use solution for photographing small products, this is a great choice. What people say. The backdrop is easy to set up and use. The size is perfect for taking photos of small items. The material is durable and easy to clean. Number 4. Yoochees 10 PCS Backdrop Board Photography Kit. This kit helps you take professional photos of your products. It includes everything you need to create stunning images, making your products look their best. The kit includes a black and white cardboard, 10 double-sided paper backdrops, clips, brackets, and a carrying bag. It's a complete solution for your photography needs. Using this backdrop board will make your pictures more professional and eye-catching. It's perfect for food, jewelry, cosmetics, and other small objects. The backdrops are made of high-quality coated photography paper with 3D printing patterns. The surface is waterproof and easy to clean with a wet towel, but avoid getting the edges wet. This background board is easy to use and suitable for small product photography. It's ideal for still life photographers, bloggers, Instagram users, and online sellers. The compact size with a carry bag makes it easy to store, carry, and use anytime, anywhere. It's designed for convenience and portability. What we like. This backdrop kit helps you create professional-looking product photos with ease. The durable and waterproof design ensures longevity, and the compact size makes it easy to store and carry. If you're a small business owner or online seller who wants to elevate your product images without a huge investment, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The backdrop is easy to set up and use. It is a great size for taking photos of small items. The backdrop is made of a good quality material. Number 3. Photo Backdrop Kit, 24 Colors Tabletop Background. This kit offers 24 double-sided backgrounds in various colors. It's perfect for product photography, food photos, and content creation. It helps you to create visually appealing content. The compact size makes it ideal for tabletop setups. It's great for small items like food, jewelry, and cosmetics. This is a must-have tool for your online business. This kit is a must-have for product photography starters and social media influencers. It adds depth to your product shots. It is a great tool for anyone looking to improve their photos. It's simple to set up with an L bracket, and the backgrounds are interchangeable. It comes with a carry bag for easy storage. You can easily set up your own mini photo studio. Made of high-quality, coated photography paper, it's sturdy and long-lasting. It is also waterproof and easy to clean. However, avoid submerging the edges in water. What we like. With a wide array of vibrant colors, this set provides endless creative possibilities for your product photography. The easy setup and durable construction make it a practical choice for both beginners and experienced users. If you're a content creator or social media influencer looking to add depth and variety to your photos, you'll love it. What people say. The backdrop is easy to set up and use. The size is perfect for taking photos of small items. The material is durable and easy to clean. Number 2. Photography backdrops, tabletop photo shoot, 22 by 34 inches, dark. This multicolored backdrop is essential for small product and food photography. It adds visual interest to items like jewelry, cosmetics, snacks, and more. It helps you showcase your small items beautifully. The 22 by 34 inch size is perfect for studio or travel use. It's great for tabletop, flat lay, and front view photography. This makes it easy to set up anywhere. With 6 double-sided textured paper backdrops, you have 12 color options. It's a must-have for content creators, influencers, and small business owners. It helps improve your product images. It's simple to set up and take down. Switching between backdrops is also easy. It comes with a carry bag for easy storage and travel. Made from high-quality coated paper, it wipes clean easily. However, the edges are not waterproof, so avoid putting it completely in water. What we like. This backdrop offers a variety of textured backgrounds, allowing you to create visually appealing photos. The easy-to-clean surface is a practical advantage, and the compact size makes it ideal for small spaces or travel. If you need a versatile and portable solution for your product photography, it's a great choice. What people say. The backdrop is easy to set up and use. The size is perfect for taking photos of small items. The included carrying case is convenient for storage and transport. Number 1. Photography backdrop kit for small product photos. This photography backdrop kit is designed for capturing stunning photos of small products. It's ideal for items like jewelry, cosmetics, and food. It will help you create eye-catching images for your online store or social media. The kit includes a variety of colorful backdrops to suit different styles. With 20 patterns, you can easily find the perfect background for any product. It allows you to create diverse and engaging content. The small size makes it easy to use in any studio or on the go. The included carry bag ensures that it's easy to store and transport. It's a great tool for tabletop photography and flat lays. Setting up the backdrops is simple and quick. The coated paper is easy to clean, so you can keep it looking fresh. Just be careful not to get the edges wet. This kit is a must-have for anyone creating content for e-commerce, social media, or blogs. It helps you showcase your products beautifully. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals. What we like. This kit provides a wide range of colorful backdrops to suit any product. The simple setup and easy-to-clean surface make it a user-friendly option. If you're a beginner or a small business owner looking for an affordable and versatile backdrop solution, it's perfect for you. What people say. The backdrop is easy to set up and use. The size is perfect for taking photos of small items. The included carrying case is convenient for storage and transport. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.